Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Dephemerember, and I'm a little behind, so I'm going to combine prompts 21 and 22. 21 is button and tea bag, and I've got my tea bag, and I've got my jar of buttons. And for 22 is water and envelope insert. So I've got an envelope and what I'm going to insert, and I took the prompt a little differently from what everyone else did, and I'm using watercolors and oxide sprays, which I will spray with water to get that look on the black. And the animals I chose for these prompts are two that would go together, at least in our woods, and that's a bear and the raccoons. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Luise Heinzl and Barbara 49 Dragonflies channels. Be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember to see what everyone else has made. There are some very talented people, and I love what they've come up with. So I hope I can use what I've learned and make myself better. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's 21 and 22. I've got my buttons and I've got my tea bags for 21, and I used water, and I've got my envelope insert. And I think they turned out cute. I've got my raccoons, I've got my bear, I've got a journaling spot, and now all to do is just tuck that in there. I had to shorten my tab, and I'm going to add it to my journal. And I'm just going to glue it like that. And what I'm going to do also is just glue it to just a little bit and sort of like make a little tuck spot. There we go. Now, it was something how the cardstock just soaked up my oxide sprays. The mica sat a little bit better, but it didn't do that on the envelope. And the colors I used carved pumpkin oxide spray, and I used Shabby Shutters oxide spray. And then for the distressed mica stain, I used Winter Frost, Tart Cranberry, and Fresh Balsam to try to pick up those colors there. And then of course I used my gold watercolors. And I think it turned out really cute. I think it's pretty, and I do love pretty. So I'm gonna add in my card. And there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Luise and Barbara's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. And I hope you're having a wonderful and great day. And by the way, I've got a little tuck spot now. So until next time, bye y'all.